bro, chat. Fair trade. Lost candies for Lost Numa Hotspot Citas and Lost Numa Hotspot Citas and Bicicladera, Doto Sahura and Poeto Bandito. I lost 25. Fair trade for Lost Candies, bro. Now I will trade Lost Candies up to a Gardemal Madungdang. So, who's the next? My PSI take first. Comment your user in the comments.